Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2016 Malibu 2LT. This vehicle only has 30,208 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. For the month of September, Apple Chevrolet is giving all of its customers over $1,100 in savings. This vehicle is a front-wheel drive Malibu that comes with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbocharged engine, 18-inch custom aluminum wheels, and back tinted windows. Now when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our jet black cloth seating throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our standard Chevy MyLink radio, lane keep assist, front collision alert, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.